All right, so this is the Tesla Roadside Safety Kit. Here's my Cybertruck. Here's my Model Y. I actually don't have a Cybertruck, but we do have 2 Model Ys and now a Model 3. And so I have 2 of these. I gotta get a 3rd one. So let's just check out what's in here. One thing right off the bat, it's pretty nice. It has like this little scratchy stuff, so I assume it will stick in the carpet. In my Model Y, I know exactly where this will fit perfectly. It's probably designed for it. Model 3, I'm not positive. Now they do come wrapped in this clear plastic. You know, it has this little paper tag that tells you to put the vest in the glove box. That's what it looks like. I don't know. Let's open up and see what's in here. Oh, this is the vest. So I guess this is what it's telling you to put in the glove box. Yeah, nice little vest. I don't know if that fit me. I'm a big boy. Let's see if it will. I'm not gonna put it on camera, but I'll just tell you. Fits me, I'm sure. All right, yeah, it'll fit. I'm 6'1", 250. Fits me just fine. So again, yellow with the little reflector guy, and then it has this little Velcro clasp. Yeah. Now, can I get it back in that little package? Oh, no. Probably not. I don't know if there's a list of what's in here or not, but directions for the vest, so I don't need to worry about that. I can figure out how to put a vest on. So in here we got essentially 2 pouches here. A nice plastic, some weight to this guy. A little flashing light with the I don't know what's flashing light. It's just a reflector style guy. Oh, I see. That's how you do it. Outside is nice. Yeah, and then has little feet come out. Oh yeah, so there's 4 feet. You can see there's 2 little feet here. Right, you would snap this together, and then you got yourself a little roadside guy. That's nice. That's real nice. Like I said, you got 4 little feet guys there, and they just fold right back in. No problemo. Yeah, that's a neat little design. And this just unsnaps back. And that goes down the front, and this goes down back here. I guess that folds up. Yeah, that's nice. And then it goes right back in this little guy. Yeah, real nice. Let's see what else we got. We got a little quality control guy. And then in here we have just like a mask, gauze, a lot more gauze, first aid blanket, silver gold. I'm not gonna open that because there's no way I can get it back in the package. And this is gloves, vinyl, not latex, nice. Band-aids, also nice. And then cleaning wipes, more gauze, scissors, what? Absorbent non-woven compress, 2 of these, or actually multiple of these. No, this is a guide to CPR, I think. It's not in English, but there's probably an English version somewhere in here, maybe. Doesn't look like it, yeah. So if you don't speak English, you can use this for CPR. Up here, a lot more gauze and triangular bandage and adhesive tape. So yeah, I think it's a pretty nice little package. Isn't anything, I mean, you could probably buy a non-Tesla branded one and it'd be just as nice, sure, probably. But it is kind of nice to have the Tesla one. I got it with points for referrals. I do like that it has this little guy here that will stick to the carpet and not flail around. And again, it's nice and compact. There's no way I can get the jacket back in here. But it says to put that in the glove box, so I'll put that in my glove box. Actually, that's kind of good to have this in the glove box because that's where my insurance is. And I'll probably forget that I have this thing in here. So hopefully I never need to use it. But if for some reason I do need to use it, now I have it. And it'll be in my car. And then I'll put this in the glove box. That way, if I'm looking for my insurance or something, I'll be like, oh, wait a second, I got this in the back of my car. So good, yeah. I'm gonna give it the big thumbs up. All right, here we are in the Model 3. The Model 3, it just has this big hole. It doesn't have a back piece there. Obviously, this will still fit right there just fine in the Model 3, but I think in the Model Y, it'll fit in that little upper decker there. So I'm gonna take the vest out and put it in the glove box. Yeah, so in the Model Y, even in the lower bin here, it has like carpet, and this is not quite Velcro, but you can see it kind of sticks to it. I got my vest. All right, here we are in the Model 3. Inside, let me open the glove box. And of course, this fits in there just fine. No problem. I'll put my new insurance in here. I have the Model 3, the Tesla branded floor mats, which I have in my Model Y as well. And I very much like. Plenty of room for the vest in here. Thumbs up. That was a weird thumbs up. Here's a better thumbs up. Also, we're digging the Model 3. This is Model 3 long range. I really like the light. It's cool. Still don't really love this. Seems like it should be a different color. Also, I think this should be black, but in general, big fan of the car. My car is covered in snow, so we'll use my wife's car as an example. Then we had to clean it off. You open up the back area here, right in the Model Y. You have this big area here, and then you have the smaller area, right? And I think this fits perfectly right there. And then if you close this, yeah, is it sticking up a little bit? I don't know. No, it's not touching at all. And there's plenty of room for my hand to go completely under here, so it fits perfectly in the Model Y in that little cubby hole. Perfectly fine in the Model 3, but Model Y fits perfect.